Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I just thought I would pop in and do a quick what's in the Maker's Market, what's coming to our live sales, and excuse my voice, I am still pretty sick, but I needed to get this off of my desk, so I'm going to get right to it. Thank you everybody who are here and supporting the channel. I appreciate you very, very much. And for all the new subscriptions, thanks for joining along in the fun. So this is the first thing, and I just recently found a Happy Planner punch, but this is the same thing. This is the exact same one that I have, so I do not need two. This will be coming to a live sale or the Maker's Market soon. Just let's talk about a few little random things. I've got some Mary Englebright stamps that will be coming to the next live sale as well. If you love Mary Englebright, those are for you. I did have a little bag of beads that I don't know if I'll just, I don't know what, I'm not keeping them. So there you have it. I think, oh, no, I have a few things that are not book related. I've got some vintage patterns that are kind of 60s, 70s that are going to be coming to the sale. So I've got all of those. These are fun. I might have shown these in another video, but I got a whole, these are all Anna Griffin, and they're actually, what you do, they're card bases, but you, they're, you know, clear, see-through. My brain's not working. So I'm going to bring these to one of the live sales too, because they're really cool. I have shared some in Happy Mail, and I still have that many. So there's a lot. So those will be coming soon. I picked up all of these too, so if you like the colored library pockets, I have a bunch of different colors, and so those will all be coming. I'm just going to bring those to a live sale. Instead of putting them all away, I just decided, nope, I'm sharing them with my friends. And then I did get this really cool, it's called Des Moines Breton Cuisine, and I just thought it was kind of cute. Everything, I like the color. It's kind of a yellowy, it's not really like file folder. It's a little bit more yellow than that, but everything is typed up. So I'm just going to keep a few and then make big bundles and bring those to either the live sales or the Maker's Market. These are from Breton Bank. It does not have a date on them, but if I had to guess, I'd say probably 80s. So that's everything that's not book related. And then book related, I love this book. Well, I think if for nothing else, this right here is precious. This is back in 2001, but it's called Did Anyone See My Elephant? But you gotta look at these pictures, or the illustrations. So pretty. And I know there are some Elefante fans out there, but this would make such a cool journal. And I did I take off the cover? No. But the cover is the very same, so that's going to be really cool. And then I got a very big bunny book by Richard Scarry. And I thought, well, this was $10 in the originally. Well, Walmart, it was $8.99. So let's see, when is this from? Oh, I can barely even read. Well, it says 1983, but this looks like it's more recent than that. I don't know. I did pick up, where did I get these? Oh, I actually got these at a thrift store, and I don't really use Reader's Digest much anymore, but when I find really beautiful covers, I do pick them up, and I thought this one warranted me grabbing for someone. It's in great shape. It does have some cracks like on the spine, but this is, look at that, the pinks and the greens. I love these colors. So 1962. So there you have it. That is coming. And then the other one that I bought, these are great for so many things. I loved this one because it had the little deer on them. So, and then that's that side. So those will be coming to live sale. And now remember, just to keep in mind, the first week of the month, these are some, I got a bunch of first readers and music books. The first week of the month is, we don't have a sale. And then the last week that we were supposed to have a sale, I was sick. I'm still sick. But, so I still have things on the docket that are coming. So if you see something that you, excuse me, want me to bring, I will put this out, this lot of goodness that I shared close to me. So if somebody says, hey, do you have those books? Or how about the, you know, patterns or whatever, I can bring them, I can just throw them in. This I thought was really home labor-saving devices. I thought it was really cool. This was from an auction. This is from 1918. Oh, wait, there's something in there. Oh, look. Those are cool. But this is going to be coming to, I just love this. I'm a diagram person. I love the diagram. So that's going to be coming to a sale shortly. I'm having a really hard time because I can't hear very well. I'm echoey. All right. I did get a little golden book. Where was this one from? It has some stickers on it. And it looks like, oh no, that's on there. That's the Steam. But I loved these colors. The very best for home for me. This was Aaron's book. 1953. These are Garth Williams illustrations. But I just thought it was beautiful. Can't beat that one. This was $1. It was $1 at the thrift store. Our children's books are not cheap. I did buy two. I bought several hymnals, and these were some of my favorites because of the color. So I have two of those that are coming to the sale. And what else? Oh, these are quartets. These are really cool. These have a really awesome feel to them. When's this from? It's old. I do know that. 1898. And some revival hymns. So lots of hymnals coming shortly. Just a few more, friends, so you don't have to listen to me. I got two of these, both in about the same shape, and I did keep one for myself, but I really love this book. And I think I love it more for the cover. I just think that would make a really cool cover. I love orange. So I got that. I did buy a bunch of craft books, but I can't keep them all. So this Easy Craft book, I believe, is going to be coming to a sale. I love it. I'm going to start working on some art books because of the pages going this way, vertical. So it's just a bunch of little kids' crafts. This is, I don't know when this is from, 1975. I got a really cool sewing book. Coates and Clark's sewing book. Somebody was practicing their writing, or pretending to write. 1967. So this one will be coming. Love this one. I have an extra Candace Olsen that I picked up. And I don't know why I picked it up because, well, I do know why I picked it up because I love her books. But I was gifted a couple of Candace Olsen books from Carrie the Paper Monkey. So I thought, well, I'll bring this, and if somebody else wants it, awesome. And then if not, oh no. Well, that's irritating. Well, there we go. That has a sticker on it. This is a 1973 JCPenney's catalog. This, well, I can bring it to the makers or to the live sale, but this I did get at an auction. I did pay a little bit more for it, so I'm not sure that anyone will be interested, but if not, I will definitely keep it. But I love the colors. It's very 1970s, as it should be. And I think that's it that is added to the upcoming sales and Maker's Market, and probably in just the nick of time, because I'm feel a little coughing spell come on. So I hope you join Carol and I and Sandy on Thursday. And again, I apologize for my voice, but if there's something that you see in this little show and tell, then definitely let me know, and I will add it to the sale on Thursday. So until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.